Hi there, this is Technology Man's World, and today I will tell you that how to use the new Breakout Rooms feature in Microsoft Teams. So this is a brand new feature in Microsoft Teams and I'll tell you how to use it. So suppose I'll give you an example of when to use the breakout room. So if there's a teacher and now she has told the students to rehearse on something and now they have been divided into groups. They were total 40 students and now they have been made 5 groups, and logically each group should have 8 members. Now how can this be done online? So this can be done now in the Microsoft Teams. So here you get to see an option of breakout room, and now I have Thomas, James, Esther, Jasper, all of them. Now we'll click on breakout rooms. Now not one room 4 people and 2 rooms 4 people, like in one room there will be 2 people. And we say we are creating a rooms. Here you can see Thomas and Esther and Jasper and James. Now there was some problem. The problem is that there will be Thomas and Jasper in the here and James and Esther here. So you have to sift this. To sift this, what you have to do is that Nestor gets to be assigned with Nestor and Jasper. Of course, James is gonna be working with Thomas. Now, why we all of here are here? Because I have created a breakout room. They said, whoa, now you're not yet started. So before starting, don't the room 1 and room 2 not good for the activity, means the names are not good, so you can rename them. For now I'll not rename them. So I'll click on the start rooms. It will start. Here you can see it will tell the breakout room session has started. You will automatically move in 10 seconds. So all of them will automatically move. See, they're leaving one by one. Means the breakout rooms are being created. So here it's looking good. Now once you're done with the rooms work, click on close rooms. Now it will automatically bring you to the rooms. So now it will close. Just wait for some seconds. Now I'll now tell you how to do it manually. So you have to click on recreate rooms. So let's create the rooms again. Now in manually let's do it. So I'll take 2 rooms like before, and I'll tell you how to do it manually. So now the rooms are empty and you can assign them. So now let's assign them. So this time there's no worries. So as I knew, James and Thomas assigned to the room 1 and Esther and all of them assigned to room 2. Okay, and now start rooms. So this is how you do it manually. You have to go this assign participants option and now assign from here. Now it will open and eventually the breakout room session has started. Okay, so now all of them will leave. And now I'm on the one left. So now the work is done. This one is open and 2 of them are open. Now you will get to see the open green logos. Okay, Now you have an option of making an announcement. So now you can give an announcement to them. So start your activity. Send. Now the announcements will be sent to all rooms. So this announcement has been sent. So in the chat, here you can see a message here, start your activity. So in everyone's chat, this message will come. So what you have to do is you have to go to chat. Now the option is there, start your activity. So now it will tell to start your activity. So now let me close the rooms and let me tell you some options which you can do. So this announcement is needed like when there's an announcement like you wanted to tell them, discuss upon what ideas and what topic, so and what materials do you need, and that's how you make announcements. So now I'll tell you some meeting settings too. Now I'll tell you some breakout settings too. Let them all come here. And now all of them have arrived and it's closed. This one is closed. Now in the triple dots you have an option of room settings. Now automatically move participants to rooms. So if I disable this, then the participants won't move automatically. I just click on it because I don't know when they want to move. When they are free, when they're ready, they'll move and participants can return to the main meeting. Now this is enabled and I can disable it, but let's keep it enabled so that they can just return automatically. Means I don't have to I have to stop the rooms. I don't know whether the discussion is done or not. They'll come when they want. So now I'll click on start rooms and here you'll get to see the changes. Now here you saw that they did not move automatically. They had to move manually and now it's telling open. Now Thomas has called me and Nestor has called me and told that the discussion is done. Okay, so now let me see. So now let me show you how you can return. So here is the return option. You can return to the main meeting. So here Thomas returning. Everybody has returned. So this is how you use breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams. And so it has been sent to all our rooms. Now closing them. And now let's end the meeting. And this is also the end of how to use breakout rooms. Hope you like this breakout room system. If you have, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. And until then, goodbye.